We decided to take a year away from work to travel Canada. The first few months were spent with friends and family across the provinces. Our route quickly shifted from north to south as we found a YouTube series of videos of a couple heading from Alaska to Argentina by bicycle. Greg and Victoria were continuously cycling through ever-changing landscapes and idyllic settings. We were absolutely hooked on their plans. We wanted to keep the trip mainly in Canada, so impulsive flights were booked. And on May 31st we were to fly up to Inuvik to head north to the Arctic Ocean. But before that, we had a 14-day trip planned on the southern end of Vancouver Island, just to get ourselves together. Day one of the bike trip. Very excited to start. Well, wait a minute, there's only one bike. The other one must still be in Calgary. Where's your bike, Eva? That's my bike.
Don't want to be poor, they should pick better lottery numbers. Yeah.
Looks kind of cozy.
It's very warm and comfy. Maybe too much, I'll fall asleep. This is very...
It's very warm and 25 degrees Celsius, but what about when it's -5?
Wait, what?
Eva learning how to use a bear bag. Day one. Possibly not quite ready. Got to go. How you look behind? Not surprising. Always last minute. Expensive treat. She's been sick.
Oh my god, you got Marmite.
Lots of miles.
The last 2 hours are the most beautiful, for sure. There's something moving around over there. There might be the resident bear.
Resident bear. That. Oh, hello.
There's a place on the banks of the Skeena where I love to spend my day, amongst the driftwood piles where the sand is soft and gray. And I set my rod and I sink into my reverie, The snap of the line brings me back into reality. Hook, line, and sinker, I'm caught up in this dream. I'm alive, awake.
How was today?
Hard. Very hilly. That's all I remember. Too much up.
Highlight?
Getting here with some time and having a nice warm shower and chilling in the sun.
Yeah.
Beautiful spot. Really nice views of the States and there's fire.
Flowing strong, empty hands, broken heart, open arms.
22% gradient after a burger.
Some called you a fishing widow, me an optimistic fool, that someday I might change and give up on these tools. But I cast out lines and I reel them in, and I cast them out.
What have we been doing today?
Up only.
Get snagged on
Yeah.
a line that never
Went to see lots of trees. Big
should
trees.
have been.
Lots of big trees.
Big reds.
Hook, line, and sinker.
Lots of dust though.
Lots of dust.
In
There's
And
people on the road.
keep an eye out for some nice
I'm
spot
alive.
later hopefully.
Awake and I breathe. Knee deep in water, I don't ever wanna leave.
Thank you.
Dark night in December, rolling out of Fountain Hill. They haven't changed much since I was a kid. Still gives me the chill. There's no place on earth quite like this. In the darkness I tend to forget. When the moon rises over the mountains, I'll see just how close home really is.
This is our big food bag, and these are our bear bags, which you hang on trees with food and toiletries. We're actually staying at a campsite just because Eva's been feeling a bit rubbish. But the girl in the reception said, "Oh, we don't have any problems with bears." So I didn't hang up the bear bags, and I left this big food bag in the doorway here. And last night was woken up by a very loud, sort of gruffling animal right outside the tent. Luckily, didn't decide to come in and visit, but I was awake for a few hours, that's for sure. So I'm not making that mistake again.
a wave, Jakey. Committed to that beat. What you got to say?
The glasses are steaming up. Bike lessons for bud.